How do I find out my Python path using Python? How do I find out which directories are listed in my system's Python path variable, from within a Python script, or the interactive shell?
sys.path might include items that aren't specifically in your Python path environment variable. To query the variable directly, use
You would probably also want this, or as a one-liner from the terminal. Caveat: if you have multiple versions of Python installed, you should use a corresponding command, Python 2 or Python 3.
Can't seem to edit the other answer. Has a minor error in that it is Windows only. The more generic solution is to use os.path as below. sys.path might include items that aren't specifically in your Python path environment variable. To query the variable directly, use
Python path is an environment variable whose value is a list of directories. Once set, it is used by Python to search for imported modules, along with other std and third-party library directories listed in Python's sys.path. As any other environment variables, you can either export it in shell or in /bash, see here. You can query os.environ Python path for its value in Python as shown below. If defined in shell as then result equals else result equals. To set Python path to multiple paths, see here. Note that one can add or delete a search path via sys.path.insert, del or remove at runtime, but not through os.environ. Example. In summary, Python path is one way of specifying the Python search paths for imported modules in sys.path. You can also apply list operations directly to sys.path without the aid of Python path.